Stewed lentils. Ingredients: 2 cups of large green lentils, about 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 or 2 shot glasses of red wine or white if you prefer, 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Ingredients for the soffritto: 1 onion, 2 carrots, 1 or 2 celery stalks, 2 cloves of garlic. Ingredients for the dressing: salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons of a good quality extra virgin olive oil, a veggie bouillon cube if you want to cook the lentils with a broth. Generally in Italy, stewed lentils are not a spicy dish, but sometimes we like to add a bit of chili pepper to give a stronger flavor. If you like the exotic flavors, you can add also some paprika, turmeric powder or curry. Rinse the lentils in a colander under cold running water. Pour the lentils into a glass or ceramic bowl with cold water. Let the lentils soak for at least 6 hours, then drain, rinse and return to the clean bowl. After this, we are ready to cook our lentils. Warm a tablespoon of the extra virgin olive oil in a medium-sized pot. Put the soffritto in the pan and sauté on a low flame. Let it sizzle for about 5 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Then add the lentils and stir. Add the wine, the tomato paste, the tomato sauce and the soy sauce. Add a couple ladles of water or broth when is necessary, just to keep the lentils moist. The quantity of water or broth you add is very important for the final result. Indeed, if you add too much liquid and too fast, you will have a lentil soup and not stewed lentils. So be careful and add only a small quantity of liquid, stir every now and then, cover with a pot lid and cook the lentils in this way for about 20 minutes. The lentils are ready when they are not too soft and not too hard. At the end, add a little black pepper and the rest of extra virgin olive oil on top of it. Serve the lentils on a plate with 2 slices of toasted pugliese or Tuscan bread.